Hello, I'm Haley and today I'm going to show you how I set up my virtual classroom in OBS. So the first thing in OBS is you're going to want to have a green screen. I will show you what it looks like without the chroma key. So without the chroma key, you can see that it is just a standard green screen supported on beams, but there are quite a few varieties. And to make the green screen work, you're gonna need even lighting. So in this room, I have two big daylight bulbs right in front of me, and then I have two umbrella lights to either side of me and a clamp light above that to separate me from the background. The lighting and green screen setup I have all came together. It came with 4 umbrella lights, a green screen, and a stand for it. The only thing I had to buy separate was the clamps to make the green screen tight so that I had a nice smooth surface, and those were about $6. The Limo Studio set was about $60 on Amazon. There's a link in the doobly-doo down below. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is download OBS. There'll be a link in the description for that as well. Once you do that, then you're gonna wanna download the virtual camera plugin for OBS. This is very important. So this is what the page looks like. You just come on over here to this page and you're gonna wanna click on download. Now you have a couple of options for downloading this plugin. The easiest way is to just go over here and click download. You will get a file that you just click on. It installs everything for you. However, that may not work for you, as it didn't work for me, so you might need to go to this link here, also in the description, the GitHub link, and download this zip file. Once you've downloaded that, just follow the instructions here on the Virtual Cam forums page. It tells you exactly where to put the files that you've unzipped. When you come back to OBS, you just go up here to Tools and click on Virtual Cam and then click on Start Output. And now you have a virtual camera. And then when you go into the VIPKid classroom, all you have to do is click on OBS camera and you're set. Everything you see in your OBS setup will be shown in VIPKid. What I like most though about using OBS is that it's very easy to organize your work. You have your sources right here. And as you can see, you can take it, you can move it anywhere, you can set it so that it's always on top. So you can actually position it right on top of your VIPKid practice room or in the actual class. Anything you have set up, you can label it, you can color code it, and it's pretty easy. So to give you an example of what it would look like, I want to ask the student, how old are you? And I want a fun image to pop up. I just go over here. If you can see my cursor in the little side window, click on the eyeball. It's all set up. I've already uploaded my image. I've already set everything that I need up. And now all I have to do is make it visible. If I want to ask, how are you? I already have something prepared. Boom. If I want to introduce my first reward, there's a kitty. And compared to the other options like ManyCam or SparkleCam that I've seen for using a green screen in VIPKid, this one seems to be the easiest to use and to make your own. So I'll give you an example of just how easy it is to, for instance, add an image to your VIPKid digital classroom. You just go down here to this plus button in sources. Click on that and we're gonna click on image. And we're just gonna find something awesome that I have already on my computer. And I wanna add the VIPKid dino. So I'm gonna click on him and there he is. Super easy, there's my dino. I can have whatever I want. You can have video clips, you can add backgrounds. It's really up to you how personal you want to make it. And of course, you can be creative with this in giving your students rewards and just personalizing the background to your lesson. Right now I'm in the ocean, but I can go anywhere in the world in this digital space. I can take my classroom to the jungle. I can visit a castle. Anything you can imagine, you can make happen. I hope this was really helpful for you. And if you have any questions, let me know. Again, all of the links you need are in that doobly-doo down below. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.